Most people will never get rich. Why? Because they're stuck in a broken system designed to keep them poor. The harsh truth is that getting rich is not about luck, it's about strategy. And today, I'm exposing the exact blueprint millionaires use to go from broke to wealthy, fast. This is not a feel-good video, this is your wake-up call. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step action plan to build wealth in your 20s. Before we dive in, comment below. What's your biggest struggle when it comes to making money? I want to see how many of you are facing the same problem. You've been lied to your entire life. Society told you to go to school, get a degree, and work a 9-to-5 for 40 years. But they never told you that the richest people in the world don't follow this path. Think about it. How many billionaires do you know who got rich from a job? Almost none. Meanwhile, the rich play a different game. They use 3 core rules to break free from the rat race. They never trade time for money, they use money to make more money, and they multiply income streams. And you can do the same. But first, let's talk about the biggest problem: why most people stay broke. Most people rely on a single paycheck that barely covers their expenses. Millionaires? They learn high-income skills that pay them $10 per month or more. The fastest ones? Copywriting, sales, video editing, AI automation, and social media marketing. Pick one, master it, and start charging clients. But here's the biggest mistake most people make. They spend months learning but never take action. Instead, use the 80-20 rule. Spend 20% of the time learning and 80% applying. That's how you get paid fast. Which skill do you think is the most profitable right now? Drop it in the comments. Millionaires don't depend on one paycheck. They stack multiple income sources. First, use your high-income skill to start making $5K to $10 per month. Then invest in online businesses, dropshipping, or digital products. Finally, put those profits into stocks, crypto, or real estate. But here's where most people fail. They blow their first big paycheck on expensive clothes, new cars, or the latest gadgets. That's why they stay broke. The rich do the opposite. They reinvest their earnings into businesses that print money 24/7, assets that grow in value, and skills that make them even more money. Do this for just 5 years, and you'll be financially free. But money alone won't make you rich. It's about shifting your entire mindset. Broke people spend money on liabilities. Rich people invest money into assets. If you keep wasting money on new iPhones, designer clothes, and partying every weekend, you'll never get rich. But if you put that money into a skill that makes you money, a business that works for you, or investments that grow over time, you will never be broke again. Be honest. What's the last thing you spent money on that wasn't necessary? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's talk about the habits that separate millionaires from everyone else. First, they understand that time is more valuable than money. Most people trade time for money. Millionaires trade money for time. If you're still doing everything yourself, editing videos, writing emails, or handling low-value tasks, you're wasting time on things that don't grow your income. Millionaires delegate these small tasks so they can focus on making more money. Identify 3 tasks you're doing right now that someone else could handle and outsource them immediately. Second, they follow the 1% rule of daily improvement. Most people think success happens overnight. It doesn't. But if you improve just 1% every day, you'll be 37 times better in a year. Instead of wasting 3 hours on Netflix, spend 30 minutes reading, learning a new skill, or working on your business. Small habits create massive wealth. Find one habit you need to change today and start now. Finally, they surround themselves with winners. Your friends determine your future. If you hang around broke, lazy people, you'll stay broke. But if you surround yourself with ambitious, successful people, you'll level up fast. Millionaires choose their circle wisely. Find 3 people who inspire you and start learning from them, even if it's through books, podcasts, or YouTube. And here's the most important rule. There's no plan B. Most people fail because they give themselves an excuse to quit. Millionaires? They burn the boats and go all in. Every year you wait, wasted time, lost money, no progress. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. If this video gave you value, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more powerful content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And before you go, your next step is to watch How to Get Rich in Your 20s. Do this now. This video will show you exactly what to do right now to escape the 9-5 trap and start stacking real money. Click it now before you miss out.